This video will show you how easy it is for designated administrators or privileged users to use IBM Security Privilege Identity Manager or ISPIM. So let's say we have an administrator, Eric Smith, who needs to access the Windows server he is managing to install a patch or additional software. Here's what he needs to do. From his workstation logged in as a regular user, he goes to log into ISPIM. We can see here he's already logged into ISPIM. And you go to use credential and select the privilege ID. In this case, he needs admin2 to access the Windows server where he needs to install the patch or software. So he checks out the privilege ID and clicks use credential to see the password. Copy the password and he logs into the Windows server he needs to work on using RDP. In this scenario, I did not put an approval process in place, but it can be configured that way if needed. And there, he is able to log into the Windows server that he needs to manage. While Eric is working on his admin tasks, let's view ISPIM from the Privilege Administrator's dashboard. As a Privilege Administrator, if I look at the credentials that I'm managing, I can see that admin2 is currently in use by Eric Smith. Now let's go back to Eric's view and check back in the credential we used. To do that, we go to Return Credential and select the credential we want to check in. Now since that's done, let's go back to the Privilege Administrator's view and see what's the status of admin2 by now. As you can see, the account is not marked as checked out by Eric Smith anymore. If we look at the request log, we can see that Eric Smith checked in the account, and within that process, a password reset was issued by ISPIM for admin2 credential. So even if Eric Smith would try to log in after he checked in the account, the password will not work anymore. So there you go, a short demonstration of how manual check-in and check-out of credential can be easily and securely done using ISPIM, and it comes with an audit trail as well.